Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV files plunder and several other criminal complaints against former President Rodrigo Duterte and Senator Bongo. Trillanes lodges the complaints against Duterte, Go, and two of the senator's relatives before the Office of the Ombudsman on Tuesday, October 21. The complaints were filed over the alleged funneling of nearly 7 billion pesos worth of government infrastructure projects to firms owned by Go's family. The complaint cites possible violations of the Plunder Law, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, and the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. Trillanes is accusing the two of awarding billions of pesos worth of infrastructure projects to two firms. These include CLTG Builders, owned by Go's father, and Alfredo Builders, owned by the senator's brother. The former senator alleges that both firms cornered approximately 6.95 billion pesos in government infrastructure projects from 2016 to the present. He says this consists of over 200 projects, mostly in Davao region. According to Trillanes, the two had been committing these acts since Duterte's tenure as mayor of Davao City until his presidency. Trillanes likewise claims that over 816 million pesos of these contracts were secured through a joint venture between CLTG Builders and St. Gerard Construction. St. Gerard is a company owned by the Discaya family, who are now in hot water for their alleged involvement in the flood control corruption. Meanwhile, in response to the charges, Go says Trillanes is barking at the wrong tree.
To Trillanes, you are barking at the wrong tree. Kung seryoso ka talaga, bakit di mo kasuhan yung mga totoong mga corrupt talaga? Bakit di mo kasuhan yung mga financials mo? Yung mga contractor, alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Kita mo na, nakailang buwan na tayo dito sa pagdidinig sa Senado. Huwag kang magmalinis dito. Huwag mong ilihis ang totoong issue. Dito lang tayo sa katotohanan. Seek the truth. Not the script, not the playbook,